Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in North Fort Myers in Brightwater. I'm gonna give you a tour on how this community is going. I have a couple of videos that I recorded earlier. I'm gonna put in the description below on when I came for the first time. I'm coming this time because the construction on the 5-acre lagoon has just started, and I want to show it to you at the beginning and then while they're building it. So this is the entrance to the community. Very peaceful, other than the bulldozers. I don't know if you can see them over there. All the way at the end, the bulldozers are moving the ground, preparing for the humongous pool they're going to have here. This is the entrance. So this community, I can tell you that is selling extremely fast. We're waiting now for more homes to be available for sale. They might have some, but they come and go. So it's call me and I'll find out what's available or when it's available. Okay, so that's for that. So here you can see that's where the humongous pool's gonna go. Let me get a little closer. Metro Lagoons by Crystal Lagoons, future site of our nearly 5-acre lagoon. And this is what it looks like today. I mean, if you're thinking something like for vacationing here in Florida, this is a very good place. And for my customers outside the United States that send your kids over to study in the United States, we have, it's really near to I-75. So you can, Gulf Coast University will be a couple minutes away from here. So because we have a lot of people that come from South America and they purchase property here for their kids to go to school, and then they can enjoy their home also when they come visit. So this will be a good retreat place because I'm going to show you a little piece of the video of what this place is going to look like. They already built one over in Tampa. So I'm just going to give you a little glare of what this is going to look like. I hope the video came out decent because I copied it off the model home that they had it on the screen. So I'm just going to put a little piece. I'm thinking of going to Tampa to get you a real video of the real actual place, what it looks like. Okay, so hope you look at the video here. I'm gonna show it. You can see all the things to do. You got a beautiful 5-acre, like beautiful clear water. I mean, it's nice. Imagine to have this walking distance from your house. Okay, so now you know what I mean. This is a place that it could be a vacation place. That it's a great place to come. We just have a military plane flying by. Very unusual here. Well, there it goes. That was nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drive through the community so you can see how many homes have been built already. There's already people living in it, and most of those homes that you're going to be seeing, most of them, they're already on the contract. Okay, so, and you could call in if something comes through that falls off. You can maybe pick it up where the deal does not come through. But if you're interested in purchasing here, just give us a call and we'll put you on a list so we can call you as soon as anything comes available. Okay, but it's a pretty big community, and so you probably have a real good chance of getting something. But right now, we just gotta deal with what we have, and as soon as more property becomes available, we'll let you know. Just just send us a text or call us at 239-410-7372, and we'll put you on that list that as soon as something becomes available, we'll let you know, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start my tour driving through the community itself, okay? Please comment below, tell me what you think about it. Okay, let me go to my car and I'll be right back. As you can see, it has a very beautiful entrance. Over here to my right, where all the mailboxes go, that's where you pick up your mail. And this is what the neighborhood looks like. As you can see, there's already people living here, and there's homes being built. Over here to the left, the sales office. And over here to the right, I'm gonna go and drive around so you can see what the neighborhood looks like. I can tell you from the last time that I was here, there's a lot of homes here. And that was not too long ago. Remember, if you want to see the model homes from this community here, just go in the description below and you will find the 2 links that will take you to the 2 model homes that they have here. And I'm going to place some others that are not here. So some other homes that are not in the list from that I took here, but it's the same floor plan from other communities that I had taken video of, so you can see the other floor plans too. I also will put that in the description. I will tell you where I got it and that those floor plans are also available here. They might have a little bit of difference, but most likely it's the same floor plan, okay? Like I was saying before, most of these homes that you see here in construction, they have a contract, and if anything doesn't go through, they will put it back on the market. So if you're interested in buying right now, feel free to call us and we'll put you on a list. And we'll call you as soon as something becomes available, or when they already start giving us new homes that they're going to be building. Like I said before, that humongous 5-acre pool, it's a very good thing for this community here, in the sense that you're living in a real, it will be like a resort kind of area. They have a bar, they have kayaks, they have things for the kids to go on the water, and you saw it on the video. So I'm gonna see if I could go to the one over in Tampa and show you the real thing, me being there. See if I could do a video of that in the coming weeks. Actually, I'll wait a little bit until it gets a little warmer. I know for you guys up north, any time is good, but I'm very tropical in the sense that I like hot weather. So maybe the end of April, May, I'll go over and do the video. This in front of me, that's the Baymore floor plan. That's one of the ones in the video. Over here to my left, that's the Jensen. That's also on the video. over here to my right, you can see all of that is available for more homes to come up. So there's still a lot left, but we have to wait until they give us until they start giving us the lots that they're going to be selling. As you can see, it's like a person that's living there. It's between two brand new homes. Well, this is just for you to have a view of what's going on here in Brightwater. As the construction continues, I will continue doing updates. And like I said before, if you like this company, if you like this community and you would like to live close to those 5 acres of beautiful lagoon, please feel free to call us and tell us that you're interested, and we'll try to find out what's going on here, and we'll contact you as soon as something becomes available. Okay. Just did a small tour. It has more streets. It's bigger than what I just showed you. Just showed you the ones that have homes being built. So see, there's more that way that they're gonna build. So we're back at the entrance here. Oh, here's your mailboxes again. I'm gonna take you over the bridge and then I'll sign off. And the location itself is very close to I-75, so you're close to almost everything. As soon as you get over that 75, you got the Gulf Coast University down. You have the airport. You have entrance to Fort Myers. So 75 will take you everywhere here. Okay, here we're back on the bridge. It's all wood, very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Brightwater, and I'll see you on the next tour. Have a good one.